Do you wake up early in the morning? Do you make your bed after waking up? Do you take a shower before going to college? Do you have breakfast every day? Do you go to college by bus? Do you attend all your classes regularly? Do you sit with the same friends in class? Do you carry your lunch to college? Do you enjoy your lectures? Do you participate in college activities? Do you visit the library after classes? Do you study at home in the evening? Do you do your homework on time? Do you spend time on social media? Do you go for a walk or exercise daily? Do you help your parents at home? Do you eat dinner with your family? Do you watch TV or movies at night? Do you read books before sleeping? Do you sleep before 11 p.m. every night?